welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy S8 and I'll show you how to change the notification sound on your device. The first step, just go to the settings and here you'll find the sounds and vibrations, so tap on that and now you'll see the notification sound. Just click here and now you can see the sounds what you can choose. For example, this one or this one, so you can choose whatever you want. I'll go into this one for example and just at the moment go to the back. Okay, we'll change it. Now just you will see here that the notification sound was changed successfully. So that's it. If you find this information helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.